All right, we are in 6.2, and the first thing I want to cover here is the sum of the angles inside of polygons. All right, there's a way to determine what the angles have to add up to in a particular size polygon. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to use what we know about interior angles of an n-sided polygon to solve for these x values here. Okay, each angle is shown as something to do with x. This one is x, this one is 20 more than x, etc. So the question is we have to determine what x is, and we're going to need all 5 of these to figure that out. But here's what we need to know, the facts that's going to pertain here. The sum of any polygon is going to be 180 times n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. Right, here's a 5-sided polygon. N minus 2 would give me 3, and 3 times 180, 540, would be the total of all 5 of these. All right, so if I had a 6-sided, for example, n minus 2 would be 4, and the sum of all 6 angles inside there would be 4 times 180, for example. Okay, so in this one we just chose 5 for a polygon, and we calculated 3 times 180 and 540. Right, now we just have to take these 5 angles, the way their expression is, and set the sum of all 5 of those equal to 540. All right, that's going to easily let us figure out what x had to be. Okay, so let's just do the algebra. Combine like terms. I get 5x plus 30. Do the rest of the algebra, and I get x is 102. So now I'm just filling these in. The one that was x is 102. The other one is 122, 107, 97, and 112. Okay, and I'll just qualify this saying that the sides, it's not necessarily drawn to scale, so don't look for them to necessarily match the exact one, but this is just for the sake of algebra to solve these. All right, and with any kind of math problem, it's always great to check your answer. So let's just make sure we got the right x value. We did our algebra fine by plugging in 102 plus 122, etc., and making sure those add back up to the 540 like they should. Okay, we do the math, it looks good, and yes, that must be correct.